Morning, period 8. I thought today that I would share some information with you about Quill.org, the program that we're using for the language that I've assigned to you for this week. So one of the things that I looked at was after you took that diagnostic, I got some results, and you can see here that the results show me that 8 students are not yet proficient on that ELL diagnostic. So that was how I made some decisions on some things that we need some more work on. So then I went into this area, the recommendations for the things that you needed to work on more. So if you see here on this screen, it told me that in blue, those were things that they recommended that you work on. And then the things like in white were things that you did not need work on. So this is kind of an overview of our class. And Lady's not on here because she took a different diagnostic, but the idea is the same. So if you can see that all of us need work on verb tense. I didn't assign those yet because I think that's something that we can do together in the weeks coming down the road. But then over here, like the articles, like the a, and the, look, all of us needed work on that. And also we needed work on capitalization. You can see that almost all of us, except for Priscilla here, need to work on capitalization. So that's why I made that decision to assign those packets first. So you'll see also like the green, that's what I assigned to you. Those green activity packets, you have those. And I think like Emmanuel, maybe you didn't have anything assigned to you yet. You probably had not finished the diagnostic at that point, but I will get something to you shortly. So that's one of the things that I've been looking at. The other thing that's been really helpful is it gives me an activity summary. So what you are currently working on based on the packets that I've assigned to you. So you'll see here, like if you have little icons in green, it means that you're now proficient on them. And orange ones mean that you're nearly proficient. And then the red would be that you're not yet proficient. You might need some more work. And if you had orange or red still, those would be things I'd be looking at, like thinking about what else do I need to give you so that you can make the progress on those and improve your learning. So this is people who have completed their packets. So I can see Priscilla's already done with everything I've assigned to her. Elion doesn't have anything yet. He just finished the diagnostic, so I'll be assigning things to him shortly. Francesca did awesome. She got things assigned. All hers were completed. She's now proficient on all the new things that she did. So that's already telling me that you're making some learning progress. Mariella has a couple of orange here, so I'll take a look at those later today and see what she might need to work on. Emmanuel, he's got some that he did his diagnostic, and I need to work with him on assigning some packets. Wani has completed 2 of her activities, and Lady's completed hers. She's still working on this one here. And Jason has completed, he's still working on one activity. He's completed one, which I think maybe he needs a little bit more work on. I'll take a look at that. But this one here, he's got a green, so he's good to go on that one. All right, so it gives you an idea of where everybody in class is and then what I'm seeing on my end. So if you haven't had a chance to log into Quill yet, please do so. I know you have all the way through Friday to do that. And then we'll keep going from there. I'm not sure if we'll do Quill again next week or if we will work on something else. That depends how the rest of this week goes. So if you have any questions on what I've assigned to you, or if you need help, or if you haven't got to your activity packets yet, please let me know. From the feedback I've got, people are finding this to be helpful, and hopefully it'll be a good use of our time. So I did assign a couple questions for you to answer just on what you're thinking about Quill today in the Google Classroom, so please take a minute to do that. And if you have any other questions, just email me, message me, and I'll get back to you. Okay, have a great day, guys. Take care. Bye.